Can we do auto scroll on Instagram Reels? First of all, launch the Instagram application and make sure that you're logged in with your Instagram account. Once you're here, go to your Reel section by tapping in the Reel icon at the bottom right from the home page. So once you're under your Reel page, if you tap on the three dot, there you will not have any direct option that says auto scroll. As Instagram does not have the built-in features to auto scroll on Instagram, you won't be able to perform the auto scroll on Instagram Reels directly. But there are some other methods which can help you auto scroll on Instagram. One of the practical and hands-free approach is to use the voice commands to auto scroll on Instagram. You can leverage any built-in voice assistants or accessibility tools to control scrolling, and that's the only way in order to auto scroll on Instagram Reels using the voice commands, that may be Google Assistant or your voice access in your Android device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.